Good, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, Raina. How are you?
I'm very good.
Very nice. Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. Hurry up and send me the exercises of the chapter. Just send single page of question answers page on the class group.
Ma'am, शायद you told to Shaurya to send.
What, beta? What are you saying?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What happened, Atharv Gupta? What happened to you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, a small accident.
Yes. What happened?
Ma'am, a small accident.
A small accident. Small accident with what? Who hit you?
Cycle.
You were on your cycle?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have a cycle.
Okay. You fell down, somebody hit you. What happened?
Oh, ma'am, I am going to my tuition with the cycle, ma'am. And ma'am, one and another cycle person come and hit my cycle tire, and he didn't fall. I fell, and he मैम उसके बाद मैम उसने मेरी अपनी साइकिल के टायर में मेरे पेडल चला दिए मेरे सर पर मैम पर.
No, very bad, very bad. Okay. Who has sent the work? Anyone has sent the page on 4th C group?
Ma'am, I have sent Kanav.
Okay, Kanav, I'll see.
Ma'am, I have sent on your personal number.
Beta, I want all the exercises. Yes, you've sent all.
No, I'm sending.
I've got now. Everybody be ready. We are going to discuss these exercises. Okay? First, who will read? Tell me. Raina, read out the first page of blank.
Ma'am, can you repeat the page number, please?
Page number
45.
Ma'am, it is showing your network bandage is low.
Okay, beta, that is why I have put my video off.
Ma'am, I'm
Ma'am, I have seen all of them.
for 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I have seen all of them.
The first exercise, fill in the blanks. Let's just do it. The water in the ocean and sea is salty. Very good. Everybody write down in the book right now, and then we will do it in the copy.
Ma'am, 1 minute, I am taking my copy. Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait for 2 minutes. Ma'am, next can I read?
Next, an earthquake under the sea causes tidal waves called.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I tell?
it is tsunami.
I'm tsunami.
Very nice. What is the spelling of tsunami?
I'm in the tsunami. T is silent.
T-S-U-N-A-M-I.
Very good.
M-I.
Tsunami. Then the next one. The dash is located between Tamil Nadu in India and northern part of Sri Lanka.
Bay of Bengal.
Ma'am, Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal.
Ma'am, Park Street.
Park Strait. Park Strait. P-A-L-K-S-T-R-A-I-T. The Park Strait.
Park Street. And the spelling in chat box. Can you repeat the spelling?
Yes, repeat the spelling. Repeat the spelling, beta.
Okay, so the spelling is PALK.
Okay. Next.
Title force. Ma'am, I want the spelling of third one.
P
Okay,
A
I am.
tsunami of tsunami. TSUNAMI. Tsunami.
No, ma'am, on the third one. Third one.
Which
Not the
third one?
second.
Spelling in chat box.
Okay, Park Strait. PALKSTRAIT. Park Strait.
Salty. Park.
Done. Everyone is clear with these fill in the blanks.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, fourth one.
What is the fourth one?
River.
A
Okay,
dash
ma'am, I
is a
can.
body of fresh flowing water across the land. That is called a
River.
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 Very good. Very nice.
And river.
Okay. Now let's do this. Please fill in the blanks in our copies. You will also do and I will also do because I have not done them. Okay, start doing.
Ma'am, who am I?
No, fill in the blanks. First do fill in the
Ma'am,
blanks
I have done.
in the copy. Then we are going to discuss who am I.
Ma'am, what is the fourth of fill in the blank?
Beta fourth is dash is a body of fresh flowing water across the land. That is a river. Okay.
Ma'am, please see my diagram.
Wow, very beautiful. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, there are only 10 key points in the.
Yes, there are only 10 key points.
Ma'am, I have done.
You have done, my God. I'm still on the second one. You were so fast.
Then I am done, ma'am, all the fill-ups.
You have done all the fill-ups in the copy?
No, ma'am, in the book.
You have to do them in the copy.
Ma'am, I was writing.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was writing the key points, and ma'am, my only 6 were done. So, ma'am, can I complete them?
Yes, you can complete them.
But ma'am, there is no work in ma'am D group.
That is because, beta, I have not posted in the D group. I'll just post it.
Ma'am, I want the key points of 8th, 9th, and 10th.
Ma'am, can I send Pansul the 8th, 9th, and 10th?
Beta, wait,
points?
I will post it on the D group only, directly on D group. Okay, just wait, give me a minute. I'll post it in 4th C group also and there also. Panchal beta, check. It's there now.
Ma'am, you have done fill in the blanks.
Okay, ma'am, it's there. I got it.
Ma'am, you are
Raina, I'm on the fourth one. On which one are you?
third.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am also in.
Ma'am, I have done Kanav.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have done Akshita.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
I have also done the key points. Ma'am,
Now-
I have done.
Now underline all the answers. Have you underlined?
I have underlined also.
Ma'am, do we have to underline by the sketch pen? Like, or the
Beta,
color?
I always use marker. Highlighter, sorry.
Ma'am,
Highlighter. Your choice whether you want to do it with a color pencil, a crayon color, or some other pen, anything. Okay, now let's come on to the next exercise. Who am
Ma'am,
I?
please wait for a minute.
Who am I?
Ma'am, which page
Ma'am,
number?
I am on the 10th key point.
Shall we move on to the next exercise?
Ma'am, please wait for a minute. I am in.
Ma'am, I am on the fourth one.
Ma'am, can you, after doing all exercise, can you please repeat all the exercise?
Yes, beta, I'll do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, very good.
Ma'am, I have also done. Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, please see my diagram.
Very nice. Very good, Bami.
Ma'am, I am done. I have done.
Okay. Now coming on to
Ma'am,
the
then
next
just-
exercise. Who am I? I am the largest ocean.
Ma'am, which page number?
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific
Ma'am, Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean. Ma'am, Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
Indian Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
Southern Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
Has we done the question answer of chapter 7 water body?
Ma'am, Pacific Ocean.
The answer is Pacific Ocean. I am the largest ocean, that is the Pacific Ocean. I am a body of water surrounded by land on all sides.
Lake. Lake.
Lake. Ma'am, lake.
Ma'am, pond.
Lake.
It's a lake. It is a lake.
Lake.
10. I am a snow-fed river.
Ganga.
Very
Ganga.
Ganga.
Ganga. Ganga. Ganga.
I am
Ma'am, can you send?
the largest lake in the world.
Ma'am, the Caspian Sea.
Ma'am,
Very good.
Ma'am, the Caspian Sea.
It is the Caspian Sea.
Ma'am, can you send the sea?
Ma'am, can you write in the chat box?
Please send the spelling in the chat box.
box of Caspian.
Please send the
Who will
spelling
write?
of this
can
chat
you
box.
fill in the blanks?
Shorit, type all the answers in the chat box of who am I?
Ma'am, can you send the answers of fill in the blanks?
Answers of fill in the blanks are already there, beta. See, from Akshada Tiwari. All the answers are there.
Ma'am, I have to ask something. Just gonna send Kanida.
Ma'am, please send
You-
again.
Okay, wait. You have to ask what, Jaskaras?
Ma'am, can we write Dal Lake?
No, why do you have, where do you have to write Dal Lake? I am the largest lake in the world. Beta, in the world. They are talking about the largest lake. How can you write Dal Lake? When it is not the largest lake, your answer will be wrong.
Caspian. Ma'am, Caspian.
It is Caspian Sea.
Ma'am, I have to
Sending
ask something.
answers of fill in the blanks. Send the answers of fill in the blanks also in the chat box. Now all of you start doing this exercise in the copy.
Ma'am, I have to ask something. Just gonna send Kanida.
Let us start, ask. When nobody is speaking, just directly ask the question.
Ma'am, I am saying why you always give chance to Shorty to send
Beta
send all the
very
answers.
fast at typing, and secondly, he never makes spelling mistakes. So
Ma'am, he makes.
just once, I remember in 2 classes, in class 3 and class 4, only once he made one mistake. That's all. Now, if you want, I will give chance to everybody. Okay, I'll give chance to everybody. And then if you make any mistake, then
Yes, ma'am.
beta, because see, those answers are to be written by everyone in the class, right? If you type wrong and somebody writes the wrong answer, then who will be responsible? I'll be responsible, na? That's why. Otherwise,
Yes,
there is
ma'am.
no such reason.
Ma'am, now what we have to do?
Now you have to write this in your copy. This exercise is to be done in the copy. Who am
Okay.
I? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please tell large river name.
Largest lake in the world is Caspian Sea, beta. It is a sea. It is called a sea because it is very big, but it is surrounded by land. So that is why it is a lake also. Because
Ma'am, I have done. How can
Ma'am,
we
Ma'am, I have done my fill in the
Ma'am, I'm
blanks
done.
book and notebook.
very nice.
Ma'am, I'm done. Who am I also?
I have also done. Very good. We all have done. Still, there are students who are doing. Still, there are. Is there anyone in the class who is doing it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am on third. Ma'am, can you wait? I'm on third.
Yes, yes, I'll wait. Don't worry. I'll wait.
Ma'am, I am on third fill in the blanks.
You are on the third fill in the blank. Okay.
I have also done.
Everyone has done?
No. Yes, ma'am.
No, not everyone has done. If there is anyone saying no, that means not everyone has done.
Ma'am, I am on last one. Ma'am, these exercises is very easy to learn.
Yes, they're very easy. These chapters overall are very easy. They're not at all difficult.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we start? Who am I from the same page?
Yes, of course you can start, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Very nice. Okay, shall we move on to the next exercise? Answer the following in brief.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am, please.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am on the 10th key point that I was missed, so I will do that and then I will do the next.
I have already sent the key points, beta. D group maybe and class group
Yes,
maybe.
ma'am, I am doing that only, the 10th
Ma'am,
one.
I have
And
done.
the last one.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am,
Wait a few seconds.
Yes.
Please wait.
ma'am, ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, now we start.
All of you have done.
Ma'am, I have done
Wait a 2 minutes.
Now I think we should move on to the next exercise. Everyone has done. Very easy question. The first question will be answered by Agrita Bhardwaj. Agrita, open your camera, unmute yourself. Agrita is not replying. Palvini. Palvini, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Read out question number 1. Answer the following in brief.
Okay, ma'am. What are the different types of rivers? Explain.
Palvini.
using
Palvini.
names.
Wrong,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Exercise C. I'm talking about exercise C. Answer the following in brief.
Name the 5 oceans in the world.
Can I answer?
Palvini,
Ma'am,
will
can
tell the
I-
answer. Why is Palvini not telling?
Ma'am, can I?
Can I tell the answer? Conscious Mishra? Ma'am, can I Bhavya?
Ma'am, can I Vamika?
Palvini, you don't know the answer, beta.
Can I Bhavya?
Ma'am, can I Summer?
Summer. Okay,
ma'am.
Summer, tell.
And Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, can I tell Jaskaran Singh?
Yes, Jaskaran, you also want to tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, I also.
Name of 5 oceans in the world are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean.
Very good. These are the 5 oceans of the world. We have done this point in key points also. The 5 oceans of the world are this, and this.
Ma'am, can I read the next question?
Ma'am,
Can I tell
Can
the
I read
next?
the next question?
Ma'am, can I tell
Conscious
the
Mishra?
next one?
Panchul.
Ma'am, can I
Panchul,
Vamika?
Panchul, tell the next question.
What are rain-fed rivers?
Answer.
Rain-fed rivers are rivers formed by rainfall. For example, Tapi and Narmada.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, do you send the answer of, do you have sent the answer of first one?
Yes. What?
Ma'am, I
beta?
think, do you send the, do you have sent the first one?
Can anybody tell me what he's saying?
Ma'am, it is not there, not there. Ma'am, can you send now?
Send what? You want me to send these question answers?
Yes, ma'am. If I am saying something wrong, so.
No, it is correct. See, the rain-fed answer you will find in point
Ma'am,
number 7.
Ma'am, mean all the answers.
I will send, beta. I will send. Let's just discuss it first. Third
Okay,
one. Why can't we drink water from the oceans and seas?
Hey, can I summon?
Ma'am, we cannot drink water. Ma'am, we cannot drink ocean and sea water because it is salty.
Yes. Only because it is salty, it is not possible to drink ocean and
harmful
sea.
for the body.
What? It is
Harmful for the body.
Yes, it is harmful for the. It is harmful to anyone's health.
Ma'am, salt makes us drink more water, so that will dehydrate us, and it will kill us also.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can send in the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, can I repeat all the answers?
Ma'am, these are very easy.
Anyone wants these answers to be repeated, or they are very easy? Just start doing the answer the following in brief. Start doing. Or you want me to type the answer in the chat box, beta?
Ma'am, it is very easy. I can do
No,
it
ma'am.
myself.
No, ma'am, don't type. No, ma'am, don't type. Don't type. We are doing question answer because I was discussing.
Yes,
send the
beta, we
answers
are
in
doing
chat box.
question answers.
Ma'am, can I repeat answer 2? Answer question brief.
Yes, Rasya, repeat.
Ma'am, can you
Okay.
send?
Rain-fed rivers are formed due to rainfall. Tapi and Narmada are rain-fed rivers.
Very good. Rain-fed rivers are those which are formed because of rainfall, because of rains. For example, Tapi and Narmada.
Ma'am, I don't know it will be wrong or correct, so can you send?
What?
Ma'am, please send the
answers in the
chat
Ma'am, what will be the starting line of question 1?
It is.
Okay, now
It is
listen,
in the
listen.
page number 44.
Listen to me. Why do you want to copy? What are rain-fed rivers? Tell me. हिंदी में बताओ rain-fed rivers क्या होते हैं?
Rain-fed rivers are formed due to rainfall. Tapi and Narmada are the rain-fed rivers.
बेटा रेन-फेड रिवर्स वो होती हैं जो मॉनसून्स में क्रिएट हो जाती हैं, रेनफॉल की वजह से
Yes.
हो जाती हैं. ओके,
भर जाती हैं वो.
try
Yes.
to follow, try to understand, think and then anything and then write. Okay बेटा, क्या होती हैं रेन-फेड रिवर्स which are formed due to rainfall? Say
Rain-fed river. Ma'am, can I tell in my?
yes beta, yes tell.
Rain-fed rivers are the water bodies which are formed due to the presence of monsoon.
Due to?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. When
Due to rain.
Yes, they are formed because of rains. Okay, look into the book. What page number you were telling? Who was telling the page number?
44. 44 rivers. Last paragraph.
Read it. Jaskaran, read from there.
a river is a body of no, ma'am. It's no, ma'am. 1 minute.
Last paragraph, Jaskaran.
Rain-fed rivers are formed due to rainfall. Tapia and Narmada are rain-fed rivers.
Now underline this. And in exams, I will give you what are snow-fed rivers. Okay?
Ma'am,
Is that
please
fine,
tell me-
Jaskaran? Now I'm going to give you questions from in between,
My screen
so
is
that you
falling.
will understand and write the answers.
Ma'am, can you please share the screen?
Yes, I will share screen now. I am done with my work.
Copy from the book.
No, I'll share screen. Just wait. Everyone has done question number 1.
Ma'am, we are doing.
Ma'am, I am on
Ma'am, I have
answer
written
3.
the different types of oceans are the first line.
Different types of oceans are. Okay, you're on the first line.
Ma'am, please wait, I'm doing.
Now give me a little time, just 1 minute, and I'll share screen with you. Let me click pictures of my copy.
Ma'am, I have done the second answer.
Very nice, very good.
Second answer. Ma'am, only 7 minutes.
Ma'am, can you send the answer 3?
I will send each and every answer. Just wait.
Ma'am, please send
Give me
it on
1
the
minute.
D group because the time is not there.
Okay, fine. I'll
There are
send
only
it on
10
D group.
minutes.
Ma'am, please send the chat box.
There are 7 minutes. You can do these 2 answers in 7 minutes, children. They're not very big. Just 1-line answers. Okay, now see.
Ma'am, please send on chat box.
And we have sent in the WhatsApp. Ma'am, everybody's video is paused.
Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
Now it is fine.
Right, ma'am, I have written all 3
Ma'am,
answers.
can you please show the
Ma'am.
first answer?
Ma'am, I have written all 3 answers according to me.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, please show the answer 1.
Ma'am, please wait for 2 minutes. Ma'am, I am taking the screenshot. So, ma'am, my work is like, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am,
take
please.
screenshot. Take screenshot. Then I'll move on to the next thing.
Question 3.
Beta, wait.
Ma'am, please show the answer second and the third.
Taken screenshot, Ashray? Have you taken?
The 5 question and the third.
Now.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
what
can
are
you
doing?
please
You were-
do?
Now, Ashray, listen to me, beta. Key points. Point number 4. I have already answered this question. The 5 oceans of the earth are. The answer
Ma'am?
is there, beta. Don't.
Ma'am, I have right answer 1 like this. Name of the 5 oceans are.
Very good. Language should be correct. Answer should be correct. You can reply, you can give answer in multiple ways. A question can be answered in different ways.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I write Can I write first? Can I write the Indian Ocean, second Southern Ocean?
Yes, you can write that way also.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have done all.
Very nice, very good. But today we
So,
are
ma'am,
going to do this much only. We are not going to do more.
I have done.
Very nice.
And I have
Ma'am,
done
I have
half
done.
also.
You have done?
Ma'am, half decorating of the page.
Very nice, very good. Now see, answer the following question in detail. First question is so easy. What are the different types of rivers? I hope all of you know the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it is ocean.
It is?
Ma'am, it is ocean. Name the 5 ocean in the world.
How many times just how many times we'll do this? I'm saying about the next exercise, D exercise.
Okay, ma'am.
How many types of rivers are there? Give examples.
Ma'am, two different types of river. Snow-fed river and rain-fed river.
Yes. And you can explain both these rivers, right? What are snow-fed rivers? How they are formed? What are rain-fed rivers? How they are formed?
And please hear my third answer.
The examples also.
No, we are
And my
not
third
doing
answer
that
is-
exercise. We'll do it tomorrow because there is no time left. We are
My,
just
my,
discussing.
my third answer is we don't drink the sea water because it is salty and harmful for our bodies.
Yes,
Then this is
oceans and seawater is salty, so we cannot drink it. And I'm telling you that an answer can be, a question can be answered in multiple ways. Language should be correct, content should be correct.
What are Ma'am,
Yes.
which ocean is the smallest ocean?
Smallest ocean. Is it given in this chapter? I don't think it is given.
Ma'am, please show me the first
Ma'am, I am
answer. I have to see the
Wait,
answer.
wait, I'll show.
Ma'am,
Yes.
any diagram we have to make?
No, not now.
Ma'am, this is not clear. Okay, ma'am.
Now it is clear. Now it is clear or not?
Ma'am, it is just clear.
Ma'am, please show the second page.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you send it in WhatsApp?
Yes, beta, I can send it in WhatsApp group also.
Now only 1 minute is left. And I am in answer.
Now I have sent it everywhere on D group also and 4th C group also.
Those formed by rainfall.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Very good, beta. Now we are not doing anything else because it's time for the class to get over. Those who have done can underline, highlight, and just leave and join your next class.
Ma'am, do you know when